Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is get into the Yoroi Wallet. I want to go over their airdrop tab. And then, of course, we're also going to do an entire crypto market update. So it's been a while. This is the first video for 2026. So we've moved into a different space, having audio issues. So I'm trying to make that a little bit better. So that will be improved over time, as well as the look and aesthetic. But it will be an exciting year. There is a lot that is happening, and going forward, I think there's going to be a lot of technology and a lot of new chains that come up. So hopefully we can get in early on a few of them. I have a video coming out where I talk about a new project that you can get in early. You don't have to pay a dime. You just need your phone, and you guys could make it big. So if you guys do like content like this, like, comment, subscribe. I already know that a lot of things have to be improved on the technical end. So we're going to get into that as well. Okay, guys. So right now we are January 12th of 2026. So let's take a look. We are at a $3.1 trillion cap. ADA's at 38 cents. So is alt season going to happen? Definitely not right now. But, assuming BTC picks up, right? More money is going to be printed as per usual. I think over time, guys, if you're patient, right? If you just hodl, I know it sounds lame, but if you hodl for long term, you're going to be better off. But you have to be willing to wait years, right? You can't buy in and think, "Oh, I'm going to be up 100% in a couple weeks." It takes a long time, right? So you guys invest how you want, but me personally, I've realized that, man, if I would have just bought the good stuff, held on long term, I would be much better off. So that could be for BTC, ETH, Solana really, or Cardano. So I think there's a lot of momentum going on with those projects. Midnight. So let's talk about Midnight for a second here. So Midnight, a new blockchain, right? Cardano is a partner chain to Midnight. This thing has just moved rapidly in the past couple weeks, right? Let's see. Has it even been out for a month? Hasn't been that long. So on the week, guys, this thing was at 11 cents at one point. Then it just crashed back down. So people are starting to redeem their tokens. I have a bunch of videos here on the channel. If you guys go here, you guys can look. I mean, you can see them right on the homepage. Midnight hits 6 cents. How to buy Midnight. I have all these different videos. The one I would watch is how to claim. So probably put in something like claim night. Redeem your night. There you go. So if you guys do want to claim, then you should watch that video. Let's dive into Yoroi. So this is Yoroi. It is a Chrome extension wallet. They have a mobile app as well. So I have that on my iPhone. And I like this wallet a lot. If you go to the top left under staking, it's very easy to stake, to monitor your earnings. So if you guys are not delegating to a pool, you might as well. So if you're delegating to a pool, you earn some of the new supply or the remaining supply, right? So some of the new tokens that are getting distributed to the pool owners, you get a part of that. So you pull in your ADA. I'm not going to get into that, but anyways, if you guys have some extra ADA, definitely do that. It's a great way to earn passive yield, if you will. Airdrop tab. So this has impressed me when it comes to Midnight, right? Every 90 days, you're going to be able to claim on a random date 25% of your tokens. So basically for me, February 6th, that's when I can claim my first night for this particular wallet. Then it's May 7th. Then it's August 5th. then it's November 3rd. So it's in stages. So here I get 1900 night, 1900, and then another 1900, etc. So for a grand total of around 8,000 with this wallet. So if you guys were watching those videos, let me know, do you have more night than the moose? Definitely won't be happy if that's the case, but it's very true that some of you are just crushing it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So I think this makes it a lot easier instead of having, to go over here. So if you guys want, check out the link tree. This is where you can redeem your night if you're not using Yoroi. So here we're going to go to redeem. You connect your wallet, which I haven't done in a while. So let's see if we could even do this right now. Bada-bum. Should be a tab that comes up. So there should be a tab here, and then you claim your midnight. So basically, guys, every 90 days, you'll be able to claim 25%, but it's on a random date. Okay, so here, redeem your night. Maybe we can connect. We should try a Lace wallet. We'll see if that works. So no night found in that wallet. So here, if we go to Yoroi, we might have to close Yoroi. I'm not sure. I'll take a look. Looking for night. There we go. So here it says thaws in 24 days. So that's cool, but what Yoroi is doing is even better. Specific dates, making it easier throughout the entire process of this new chain being rolled out. I think Yoroi has done a good job. So you guys let me know what you think. But I think Yoroi has been one of the best wallets, and it's gotten better over time. So here you can make swaps, you can see your NFTs, you can connect to dApps. If you guys are on JPEG Store, you're looking at the NFTs, etc. I think it's really cool. So this is a very easy way you could do it as well. Guys, use the link tree specifically for setting up the Lace wallet. If you guys want to get into the hedge stake pool, if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, right? So this is a Tangem. Guys, use code Moose. You save, how much can you save with code Moose now? I think it's like 10 or 15 bucks. So definitely 10% off. You're going to save, if not more, especially during the holidays. So guys, get this. You get 10% off. That's what it's doing. So 10% off. Use code Moose. Also the Trezor. So if you guys do want to get the best deals on Trezor, I've got my Trezor, and we're waiting on the Safe 7. So when that comes in, we'll be reviewing that as well. So guys, we have a lot of content coming in the near future. And that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.